We're doing 7630 is the room, but you gotta go through 2 doors. One here, and then you got 2 rooms. This is mine. And we're gonna go in here, and this is a solo room. So let's take a look. We have a virtual, one of those things, which is not so good. But right here we have the room controls. That one does that light. This is the room light. There's a power outlet with a little cubby there. There is 2 shelving up here. Looks like a good sized bed. I like it. It's not a single bed. And then just a little table, the TV, the phones on the wall. We have a full-length mirror right there. Okay. Yeah, we have all the outlets, the USB, the 110 to 220. And it's a very small, tight room. We have a kettle on this one. Hair dryer, same thing. Probably the chiller right there. We have a closet. There you go. See, definitely made for single. Right there. Look at that. 2 drawers. Okay. And then the all-important restroom. Look at that restroom. Oh, yeah. Oh, we have a nice standing shower there. Oh, yeah, that's nice. All right, and then the same old sink. Okay, nice wall. Nice wall. So this is not too bad. Okay. So this is a room designed for a solo traveler. It's a little small, but I think it'll be okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing, and as always, have a great day. Take care. Bye now.